In this section of the course, we will discuss an algorithm design technique called backtracking. This design technique is a kind of extended form of recursion, but with some special properties, as the name suggests. The problem that falls under backtracking are the problems where we need to take our decision back. It means we change the decision at runtime and take a step or multiple steps back. These type of algorithms and design techniques are very useful if you are into game programming, especially strategy games. So in this section of the course, or say in this design technique, we will focus on what is backtracking, how to identify that the problem can be solved using backtracking, how to approach the solution of a given problem using backtracking. We will solve some of the problems on backtracking. We will code them. And we will solve few classical backtracking problems, not only theoretically, but through pseudocode and actual live coding. So let's quickly introduce backtracking in next lecture. Hope you might be excited to learn this new algorithm technique. Let's make it more fun with good and interesting problems to solve.